Dates stuffed with nuts. Dates stuffed with nuts are a delicious and nutritious treat. They are often enjoyed as a snack or as a sweet addition to desserts. Dates themselves are natural sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also low in fat and high in carbohydrates, making them a good source of energy. When you stuff dates with nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, you add an extra level of flavor and texture. The crunchy nuts complement the soft and sweet dates, creating a delightful combination. This combination of dates and nuts is not only tasty but also packed with health benefits. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and various nutrients. They can help lower the risk of heart disease, improve brain function, and support weight management. So next time you're looking for a healthy and indulgent snack, give dates stuffed with nuts a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious dates stuffed with nuts.